Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. It's been a while, it's been a long time. I know for the past 1 month I've not done any face look, any makeup ish or something like that. So I'm going back in today. I'm pretty excited because I don't know what I'm gonna create. I don't know what I'm gonna look like, but I am positive and I'm looking forward to it. I need an angel. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's the realest channel on YouTube. If you're not new, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I appreciate you guys and you guys are welcome. So as you can see, I'm wearing red and I don't know why, or maybe I do know why and I don't know why I said that. I'm wearing red because I want to create my Valentine's look today and I don't know what look I want to go for, but as you guys know, Valentine is all about love. It's not just all about couples or married people. You can still be single and you can still love yourself and you can still share or spread out the love to anybody around you. But I just hope this video turns out to be great. So that's why I'm wearing red today. So this could be my end outfit clothes. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. I am not going to be talking much through this makeup process, just because it's a repetitive of me doing my makeup. You guys know my makeup routine and everything. When it comes to the high look, I might say something or I might just do a voiceover if I needed to, but because I'm going to be applying my face product, I'm just probably speed it up or do a voiceover, whichever one I feel like when I'm editing. So I'm also going to be having my breakfast. This is not a mukbang, just because I'm chilling at home during the video watching series, and I have my bowl of Cocoa Rocks. I love that cereal right here. So I'll be eating that, doing my makeup, watching something. So that's why I won't be talking much in this video. I was thinking, should I start with my face first or my eyes first? Because I'm used to starting with my face first, like my base first, and my eyes are the last. But because I'm going to be using super bright neon colors, I don't know if it's going to stay my makeup, but I'm going to give it a go. So I think I'll start with my base first and get over to the highest. So my skin is already prepped and I have moisturizer on. As you can see, my lips is plump. So for my base product, I will be using I will be using a strobe cream from MAC. This is their Gold Light, and my primer, I'm using YSL primer blush shade. On my foundation, I will be using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chai, and my concealer, I'll be mixing Too Faced concealer in Chestnut and with my L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in only 338. And for my contour, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in 616. So basically the process I'm going to be going through, I've just told you what I'll be using, and when I get to the next stage, I'll also tell you what I'll be using. So I'm done with my base. I just want to set it with a powder. I'll be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to give my under eye a bit of brightening. I'll be using the Airspun translucent powder as well. And to set all of my face, I'll be using MAC Mineral Skin Finish Dark Deep powder mixed with normal powder, Studio Fix powder from MAC as well, and W46 to set my face, and little bit of Colourpop dark no filter pressed powder. So these are all the products I will use to bake and set my face. So guys, I've finished the first stage of the process, which is the base. I'm looking hella pink. I had to spray my face with a setting spray so it removes the excess powder on my face. But I don't know, on my viewfinder I look like pink. I look pale a little bit, but I don't know. But on the mirror I look okay. Maybe when I go outside I'll look better. So I'm just gonna finish eating my food, you know, tidy up and come back, and we're gonna do the eyebrows and the eyes. Welcome back guys. I decided to do my eyebrows and my high base outside the camera just because I don't want this video to be too long, and I went ahead to add a little bit of powder just to catch the fallout of the shadow I'm gonna be playing with, because they're all pigmented shadows. So I'm gonna be using lots of palettes today. First of all, I'll be using the James Charles Else Morphic palette. I'll also be using Melt Cosmetics stock neon radioactive kind of ish thing. Basically I just need the pink and a little bit of the yellow in this palette. My eyes is already prep and primed with the Urban Decay Eden High primer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out one more time for those creases. Using a light nude brown shade from the James Charles palette. This is called Canvas. I use it as my brow bow highlight just to highlight my obviously under brows. And for my crease base, I decided to use You're Kidding, which is a very like a reddish shadow. This is the only red shadow in the palette as my all base, and blend it all out. I decided to use another shade or shadow called 518 to blend out the red shade as my crease color to make everything blend. And I went over with more pigment of the You're Kidding just to bring out the shadow out more. At this point I realized like, okay, the red is not coming out as I wanted, so I decided to add a very hot pink. This is called Skip from the James Charles palette. I had more layers as I want to, and I went on to add more You're Kidding, which is a red shade to it, to actually give me a kind of like a pinkish red shade. So next I decided to kind of like darken the outer crease, or give it the as if it's like a cut crease area. I used Benny. It's kind of a brownish dark red or burgundy, just to actually darken out the corners of my eyes, and I decided to go back in with different blending brush to blend in each shadow I use from the beginning, right from the red shadow to the pink shadow. Next, I'm cutting my crease. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Cut Crease Canvas in white to cut my crease, because I'm kind of going for a cut crease. I decided to add my shadow. I started with a white shadow, then proceed to a very baby pink shadow, and more like an orangey shadow, and then just to cover the cut crease, I use a very dark shadow to cover it called Your Dat from the James Charles palette. It's like a dark pink purple shade. Yes, so then I said, you know what, this is not enough for me. I feel everything's like one, so I decided to go ahead and add some glitters, and I mixed pink and red glitters together, and I also did a liner. I'm sorry I didn't find the footage for the glitter, but this is what I did at the end of it, and I pretty love my high look. So guys, my battery died and I forgot. The only thing that was different is me adding glitter and liner. As you can see, it's a mix of pink and pink and red glitter with a liner. So now I'm gonna do my lashes. I think I need to do that outside the camera. Finish the rest of my face, get ready, and I'll come back and do my lips for you guys. I know I said I was gonna get ready and probably back, but I'm actually gonna go get ready. Like, gonna get my lipstick, remove my hair bonnet, and come back and we'll talk about the finished lip, because I am tripping. Well guys, I think I definitely gonna just leave myself like this. For our lipstick today, I really don't know what I want to go for, so I was thinking about wearing a lip gloss. So I'm gonna try this Gerard Cosmetics lipstick, liquid lipstick in Immortal. I have my older liquid lipstick, but I just want to try this out because it much seems good. Is it the perfect red? We don't know. I don't know if I feel these lips, you know. I don't know. So I'm gonna go inside, probably get something else like a pink or something to, you know, because I'm not feeling this at all. I don't know, I'll just leave it like this. Let me not do too much because I am going to do too much now. So guys, this is the finished look. This is the end of our Valentine tutorial. This look is not inspired by anybody, it's just my creation, but obviously this has been done before. Because I don't really do glitter on my channel and I don't do loads of cut crease, so I just feel like, you know, for a new turn 2019, this is what I'm doing and I love it and I love everything about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you did enjoy it, still give the video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy my previous video and the next one to come. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because why not? You need to join this family. It's the realest channel on YouTube. Every details I've used in this video for the look and everything, I'm gonna leave it down below, so don't forget to check the description box, and please leave your comment on what you think about this look. Do you like it? Is it random? Is it okay? Is it meh? But whichever one you prefer or whichever one you like, I still like it because I don't do it all the time and I don't really do it at all. So if you don't love yourself, who you gonna love? I don't know. Or who's gonna love you? I don't know. But everything needs to start with the inner beauty, inner self, inner love, and self-esteem. So I'm feeling myself. And until then guys, I will see you in my next video. So take care of yourself and peace.